Hey guys, Bravely here, going to Pokemon Go for the community day event for April, going to Grand Park, so let's check it out. So as you could hear on the background, it's actually 2 o'clock because of the chimes of the bell. I'm here, it's still loading up my game. Hopefully all of the community day stuff actually shows up. Pause. This dude literally cosplayed as Spark from Team Instinct. That's awesome. Niantic was nice enough to hold this event in Grand Park in Los Angeles. They set up a tent in front of the park, giving out free swag like Pokemon pins, stickers, and promo codes. The lines were very long and it snakes around. I waited 30 minutes, the line moved a little bit, but in the end I didn't get any free swag. Here are my final results. I had 6 shiny Stuffles, and I had enough candies to evolve one of them. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate your support. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Bravely, signing out.